What is the fastest web hosting for WordPress? Let's check this out. This is my site speed test here. I'm going to show you the site speed test and some other things and how easy it is to install WordPress on this platform, some other features as well. You can also check out my other WordPress videos. There's a link in the video description below for that as well. Also, please subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online, stuff like that, using blogs, YouTube, and affiliate marketing, things like that. Check out my hundreds of other videos as well. Anyways, let's get into this. So here we go. This is a speed test, the Google speed test here, and we're just going to refresh these. You can see these speed tests are fast, like desktop 98, mobile 92. We'll just do this, refresh this one here, and see what happens. So I just refreshed that one today, and the desktop's at 100. That's the speed test. Mobile's at 97. Let's just check out. You can do it right on Google as well. Now, this is great for your SEO because you want your websites to be fast. You know, when people are browsing, going to your web pages, you definitely want fast web pages to load because people, are impatient. They're used to the, instant gratification. They want the website to load fast. And this is the mobile 97. That's the speed for this blog post here. The desktop is 100. Now, I don't know, I guess you could have it faster. We could both be 100, but this is crazy speed, and this is without plugins. This is built in the back end of site Rubik's here / Wealthy Affiliate, because they're the same company that does the web hosting here. And there's a link for the video description below for this as well, and you can try it out. 2 free websites to start off with. So here's some other features that are included in this site speed. They have support, security, comments, feedback. You get comments on your website, the community inside this platform, feedback as well on your websites, the health. And by the way, this website has a bunch of plugins installed and activated as well. As you can see, here's a lot of plugins, and that's still the site speed. Some people say, well, what's the fastest theme that you're using? It doesn't matter with this web hosting. I have different themes, and they all run really, really fast. I'll do another one here just to show you. We'll go right to Google. So the mobile for this one is 94, and this is post by post. Desktop is 100. So that is crazily fast. If that's even a word, crazily, I don't know. So again, there's lots of WordPress hosting out there, and I've searched around and I came across these guys, and it's not just web hosting. They have so much other stuff, training, website building, live events, research tools, affiliate programs, and stuff like that to make money from your blogs. So it's definitely something you're going to want worth checking out. If I could even talk today, what's wrong? I don't know. But let's just install WordPress real quick here and see how fast you can install it. Go to Site Builder. Do it on a free domain just temporarily. So let's test this one out. We'll just do fast. Apparently I can't spell today either. Type. Man, sorry about that. We'll name the site test. Pick a theme, anything you want. Let's choose this one for now. And then it takes about 30 seconds to install WordPress. And this is going to install it with the all-in-one SEO plugin built right in as well, which is great for your SEO and stuff. And there you go. Now, why is it so fast? Well, they have the site speed plus here. You can do it change to extreme. Then you also have a free SSL certificate. You also have spam blockers on this thing here. And we can test these sites. Of course, this is going to be really fast because we just installed it and there's not much on this blog. So 199 on mobile. Awesome. So I just installed a WordPress site, and we can even check it out. Obviously, there's not much content to it, but there you go. There's the site. Continue reading. Hello world, and you just edit your posts and stuff like that, and all that good stuff. So, quick video today, folks. If you're looking for what I consider the fastest web hosting out there, it's in the link in the video description below. Site Rubik's / Wealthy Affiliate, and so much more goes into that. Like I said, there's a huge community of helpful people there. There's coaches and stuff like that. This is a look inside. Once you have your dashboard here, your training, web hosting, research tools, affiliate programs. Again, it's a huge community of private coaches, personal coaches, and stuff like that. and I will be connecting with you inside as well. So if you have any questions, you can contact me. So it's a real great way to build your website and to make money from your websites as well. So like I said, a quick video today, all kind of stuff in here. I don't want to go too in depth. Check it out. That is all for now. Talk to you soon.